In this video, I am going to show you how you can generate unlimited AI videos and images without any credit limit. I promise you there is not any credit limit to generate videos. I know any beginners can't afford Google Nano Banana or Google VEO3. That's why this video is very important for you. Must watch this video till end.
In this video, I'm going to show you the complete free tool without credit limits. You can create unlimited videos with using these free AI video generators or image to video generators or text to video. So let me get started. So here Meta I use. So how I use that, before that we go into the ChatGPT, and here any story that I'm gonna use, for now I'm going to use 5 scenes to reduce the length of this video and this video tutorial. So here I just told that ChatGPT, please specify the characters in the start. I mean, when these scenes will be generated, the characters will be specified before the scene going into the. Okay, now you can see here the Maya is a character, the Leo, the line is a character, and the Spark, the parrot, is a character. So keep in mind these characters. Now the scene one, camera, wide shot, and this is the action, and this is the dialogue, and this is the emotion, and where the Maya is here. So now the action, Maya wants us to fear from something like that. So I just copy that and go here into the Meta.ai, and here I will click on images, and here I will select the image ratio, and here I will paste the scene prompt. Keep in mind, in the scene prompt we're gonna use the Maya character. For example, this is the Maya characters specifications, so I just copy that, and here where the Maya is written here, for example, the Maya. So in the Maya text here, I just paste this here, for example, and anywhere the Maya written here, I will paste the character specifications for the Maya to get the constant characters. So here I just hit enter. It will take a few seconds to generate few scenes for us that we can select from these. Here you can see we got these scenes, and here this is the scene. For example, I selected, and here I just described the animation. So here the animation that we can get. So here Maya wants us to fear while chasing butterfly and vending sound. So here I can just copy this text as well. You can also copy all the way anything that you suitable for you. So here I just paste this and click on animate. So what it will do, it will animate this image. Now the scene has been created, but you can see the face is relating in that. So here I just, or in the scene I just say Maya is walking slowly. For example, the action is Maya is slowly walking in the jungle. So click on animate, so it will animate the the scene of this. Now you can see this is animated and the Maya is walking. Okay, we can enhance the quality of this, or we can give the feedback or bad results or good results. And here if you want to download, you can just click on download, so this video will be downloaded. There is no any credit limit. I mean, there is no credit limit. I show you another prompts here. So here, for example, this is the scene 2. I just copy and go back, and here I will just add a new prompt here. For example, here, and here I say again I will select the image ratio, and I select create image and paste here as well. I just paste the Maya specifications. I just copy, and here whenever the Maya is written, so here in the Maya I just paste the character specification, and here is the Leo, and the Leo specification is here, and I just copy, and here in the lieu specifications, I just paste the lieu specifications here. Okay, so here is the lieu specifications, and here, so I will generate the images for this scene. Now you can see the Maya is the constant character as our old scene, and here is the scene created. So I select this scene, for example. You can see the quality of the image is amazing, and here, so here I just reset, and here you can see the quality. And if I animate this, and here we can give the dialogue or the action. So here is the action for the scene 2, for example, here, and I just copy and paste here and click on animate, so it will animate this image into the video. Now you can see, oh, that's amazing. This is scene 2. So just like that, we can create the unlimited scenes via Meta.ai without any credit limit. Now the next generation tool is the QN. So for getting that, you just need to go here, chat.qwen.ai, and here in this you can create the unlimited videos without any credit limit, as we just created with the Meta. So for example, I just copy the scene 1 here, I just copy that, and here in the more, you can see here, you can see the video generation, and I just select the video generation, and here you can select the ratio for the video, and here I just paste the scene 1, for example, and I just copy the Maya specifications. Here I just copy and go back into the Maya. For example, anywhere the Maya is written, I just paste the character specifications for the Maya, and here I just paste the character specifications for the Maya, and here I just hit enter. What it will do, it will generate an amazing video action or the video for us as we created with the Meta.ai. So there in the both websites there is no credit limit, that we can create the videos with the unlimited credits. QN is the bit slower than the Meta.ai, so you should be patient with the QN video generation, while I recommend you the Meta.ai because this is faster than the QN. Now the QN took a bit time, so I just see here, this is cartoonic type video because I was mentioned that we need the cartoonic type video. So here if we when I create the images here, so you can also generate the unlimited images here. For example, I just copy that, and here I just copy that here, and we just click on image generation, and here we can just say generate image. So it will generate the image according to the image ratio that we have selected. So here you can see this image has been generated. You can see this is hopefully an amazing image that it has been generated. So we can also convert this into an video if you want to create. If you just click here, and here I just say more and video generation, and here I just select the image that we're gonna generate a video, so we can also generate. So this is how you can create the unlimited creditless videos using Meta.ai and the QN. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. And for the audio generations, I hopefully use this Speechma. So for with this Speechma, you can create unlimited audios and the voices for your videos, and with the QN and the Meta.ai, you can generate unlimited videos and the images. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and comment below if you have any issue regarding this.